Hi there, back with another video. This is question 11 from section 3.1. Just like question 10, we have a function where the power is a fraction. So we do the exact same thing. When you have a higher order polynomial, you just move the old power in front and subtract 1 from it. But in this case, you can't just directly subtract 1 from a fraction. You have to convert it to a fraction first, and you want to pick the same denominator as you have in your fraction. All right, so we'll start this with the right-hand side because the right-hand side is a little bit less complicated. It is a higher order polynomial, so we just move the -3 in front and we subtract 1 from it. So we get -3 x to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is simply -4. So we get -3 x to the power of -4. On the left-hand side, it's a polynomial with a fraction, which means we have to do one extra step, which is we got to convert that -1 into a fraction. Because it's 3 halves, we should convert that -1 to halves. And -1 is the same as -2/2. So we put the old power in front, which is 3/2, and then we take x to the power of 1/2, because 3 halves minus 2/2 is just 1/2. And then we add it all together at the bottom, and that's it. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, consider liking, because I'll be adding more videos from the same chapter in the future. And the important takeaway here is when you're subtracting 1 and you have a fraction, just remember you got to convert that 1 to a fraction. All right, thank you for watching. And if you have any specific questions you want solved, just feel free to take a screenshot of it, upload it to an image sharing website, and add it in the comments, and I'll try to solve it when I have time. Thank you, and goodbye.